Blue Mini Operation Tutorial. Install the laser head. Open the hatch. You will see a sticker on the left and right sides. We need to remove the fixing piece guided by the sticker. Remove the screws from the fixing piece with a hex wrench. The screws on the side can be loosened first and then removed by hand. Remember to remove the fixing piece on the other side as well. Move the fixed laser head panel to the middle. This makes it easier to remove the 6 screws above. Start installing the laser head after removing the screws. After tightening the first screw on the right side, we can then tighten the first screw on the left side, which makes it easier to secure the component. Then tighten the screws one by one. Loosen the side screws to lower the laser head. Then connect the cable to the laser head. Take out the memory card. Insert the memory card into the machine. Attach the exhaust pipe to the exhaust port, and then attach it to the machine. The other end can be placed outside the window for exhaust. Connect the power cord and turn it on. Interface Operation Tutorial. Click on the Tools menu to change the language. Set sender point. Connect to Wi-Fi. Click beep to turn off the sound. Click again to turn on the sound. Click to engrave. You can see the drawings of various mobile phone models. Select the folder of a certain phone model. You can see 2 folders, the back cover and the LCD. The back cover folder contains sections for black, multicolor, and white. There are black and white in the LCD folder. This is the laser intensity set to distinguish between different colors. So before the separation, be sure to choose the correct color. Click Control. Here you can manually control the laser position. Click Hard Homing. Laser head returns to default position. Position Calibration Tutorial. First move the fixed platform out. Then take out the laser positioning bracket. After fixing the laser positioning bracket, take out the laser positioning plate. Tear off the packaging on the laser positioning plate. Place the laser positioning plate on the bracket. Attention! Be sure to place the positioning plate in this direction. Move the fixed platform to the center. Then move the laser head to the forward position. Take out the focal length rod. Put it upright on the positioning plate. Loosen the fixing screw of the laser head. Move the focal length rod under the laser head. After setting the height of the focal length, tighten the screws. Then take away the focal length rod. Attention! The position of the focal length rod is preferably below the arrow. It cannot be placed directly under the laser head, and the focal length rod cannot be placed in the middle of the positioning plate. After adjusting the focal length, click to engrave. Find the forward. Select to forward. Click Carve. Then wait for the process to finish. After the laser is completed, click to confirm. Then move the positioning plate out. Check if the position is biased. The smallest unit on the scale is 0.5 millimeters. The horizontal axis is the X and the vertical axis is the Y. An example: if the position shifts to the upper right, then the values of both the X and Y axes need to be decreased. Click on Tool. Find the center. You can modify the X axis and Y axis values in it. Click Save after modification. Take out the new positioning plate and put it back on the bracket. Back to Home. Select Forward Drawing in Engraving. Test again. Observe again if the position is offset. If the position is slightly offset, just fine-tune the value of X and Y. When fine-tuning, it is recommended to adjust 0.05 mm or 0.1 mm each time. Once the position is centered, the laser machine can be used normally. Separate back cover. Attention! The laser will emit a beam when the device is turned on. Please insert your phone only after the device has been powered on. Before separating the phone components, check the phone. If the back glass cover is detached, apply aluminum foil to the detached area and around the camera to prevent the phone from being damaged by the laser. When placing the mobile phone for operation, no need to put in the laser positioning bracket. And you need to place the mobile phone in the direction prompted by the label. After the phone is put away, the focus needs to be readjusted. Each phone has a different height, so the focus needs to be adjusted when using different phone models. Close the hatch. Find the corresponding mobile phone model in the engrave. Select back cover. Choose the corresponding color. Select the corresponding mobile phone model drawing. Click Carve. Click to confirm. When the progress bar shows 100%, it means the laser process is complete. When removing the back cover glass, please wear gloves and goggles to protect yourself. Separation bracket. Place the phone or screen according to the directions prompted by the label. Put the focal length rod back on and adjust the focus. Find the corresponding mobile phone model in the engrave. Select LCD. Select the corresponding color. Select the corresponding mobile phone model. Click Carve. After the laser is completed, the bracket can be easily separated from the screen. DIY engraving. First, we need to search for and download MKS Laser from the mobile app store. It can be controlled by connecting to the device's built-in Wi-Fi. You need to enter the machine's IP address on the phone. It can also be controlled by connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. After opening the software, you can manually control the parameters in the control panel. Click on Material. You can see the patterns included in the material library. Remember to adjust the focus after placing the phone. Click on Creation to select pre-downloaded images from your photo album and start your DIY creation. Once the image materials are ready, you can adjust the position and size of the pattern, as well as the laser power. After that, you can upload the pattern for engraving.